sun hasn't gone down on 2018 yet. We have time enough for one last trip. My suitcase got quite the workout this year, and I think that's even an understatement. In my last video, we flew down to Atlanta for a nighttime cross-country on a really decent night. That evening, after I landed, weather moved in, and I sat on the ground for 5 days, waiting for it to clear up. The result of that cold front was a freezing cold temperature to start with in the morning, and a 30-knot headwind to have to contend with the entire way home.
Cessna 12994, Fulton County Car.
Yeah, 12994 over at Hangar Foxtrot, parallel to taxiway Bravo at Delta for VFR departure to the north.
November 994, runway 8 or runway 26 pilot's discretion advised. Winds are variable at 4 knots.
Yeah, 994, we'll take runway 8, and we've got Juliet.
November 994, roger, runway 8 taxi via Bravo India. Cross runway 32 at India. November 12994, Fulton County Tower, north departure approved. Runway 8, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 8, 12994. On, car beats off. Picture's full, Rich. Oh, this is going to be a beautiful morning.
November 8 Charlie Whiskey, it is still not in the system, but I'll be happy to put one in for you if you want to give me the details. November 8 Charlie Whiskey, I'm listening.
You have my attention. Good, start our turn to the north. So long, Charlie Brown.
Whiskey Alpha, Papa Lima, the number 4.
Atlanta departure, Cessna 12994.
That's Alpha Pro second.
And approach Cessna 12994, 4,500, 5 north of Fulton County, VFR to Bravo November Alpha.
12994 to call sign, what type Cessna, what altitude en route?
Cessna 172, gonna go 4,000, or 6,500 for 12994.
November 12994, squawk 7172.
7172 for 9994.
One of the big things I did here at the end of this year was I upgraded from the GoPro Hero 4 to the Hero 7 Black. I thought rather than filming my typical flight vlog, it would be kind of fun to use some of the features of the Hero 7 Black to really just kind of capture the trip. 2018 for me is always going to be remembered as the year that I finally achieved my lifelong goal of owning my own airplane. The opportunities that this has presented to me, the places I've gotten to go, and more importantly, the things I've gotten to share here on this channel, it's been a blast. I can't wait to get into 2019 and just do so much more. I have to say thanks to everybody who's watched these videos, everybody who's supported this. It's been a huge year, and 2019 is just going to be even more exciting. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next year.